Hi, I'm Jazz, product specialist at greytHR. Let's say it's Friday. Neha just resigned. She's polite, gives her notice, but now HR is juggling 10 things at once: notifying IT, recovering her assets, calculating her final pay, collecting feedback, preparing documents, all before she walks out the door. And here's the truth: a single missed step is all it takes to delay settlement, trigger complaints, or leave a lasting dent in your brand. That's why great HR exists, to help you manage exits with clarity, speed, and confidence. Let me show you how. We start by setting the foundation, a resignation workflow. Head over to Workflow, Setup, Workflow Levels, and click on Add Workflow Level. Choose Resignation as the type and give it a name. Then filter employees as needed. Next, save and define who approves a resignation and in what order, perhaps the manager first, followed by HR. Can someone withdraw it later? Should they be allowed to choose a date months into the future? Can someone resign with a backdated last day? Should they be allowed to update the last day? You decide, great HR enforces it. You can also edit and enable the employee last working day workflow from this page itself. Next, we build the exit checklist. Go to System Settings and open the checklist dashboard under Checklist. Create a new checklist or edit the existing one. Think of this as your exit command center. You decide what needs to happen when someone leaves, from knowledge transfer to ID card return. Select the event category and event, then choose when it should kick in, on the day they resign, a week before their last day, and so on. You can also add new tasks to the list, giving you full control. Now let's bring Neha back into the picture. She logs into her great HR portal, heads over to the View My Info page, and under the Employee and Job tab, she clicks Resign. She selects her submission date and last working day, adds a reason, and importantly enters her personal contact info. This isn't just admin work, it's what allows you to stay connected post-exit if needed. She submits the resignation. But this isn't a one-way action. It sets off a fully tracked, fully visible chain of events exactly as we just configured in the workflow. Her manager gets notified, opens the request, reviews it, adjusts the dates if needed, and either revokes it or accepts and forwards it to HR. Then HR reviews it, confirms eligibility for rehire, adds comments, and completes the process. Every approval step, every date change, every note, it's all logged. Neha gets email updates at each stage. She's not guessing, she's informed, which, let's be honest, not many exit processes can claim. Now comes the real stress buster: offboarding. In the offboarding dashboard found under Employee, Admin, HR sees Neha's checklist, tasks pending, laptop, swipe card, project wrap-up, and more. Each task is assigned to the right owner. No chasing people, no wondering who's done what. HR can nudge departments with a single click. As tasks get done, the system tracks them in real time. You can still revoke her resignation at this stage. Once everything's cleared, Neha moves to post-clearance, where HR wraps up the final settlement, uploads her letters, closes the file, and marks her as exit. No confusion? No, did someone send her Form 16? Panic 3 months later. Every step is recorded, every document is stored. And yes, under the Separation tab found under Employee Information, you can always find all details of the resigned employee. From here, you can also enable the alumni portal. After that, Neha can log in anytime and access what she needs without calling anyone. If this were involuntary instead of voluntary, it's still the same process. HR can initiate it quietly from the offboarding page, and the system handles the rest, just as structured, just as clean. That's what great HR delivers: control in chaos. Because exits are never just about systems, they're emotional, they're personal, and they're full of pressure for both the employee and HR. We don't just help you track tasks, we help you finish strong, without stress, without risk, and without compromise. Click the link below in the description to connect with our awesome team, and we'll get you all set up. Have a great day.